The Happy Puppy. Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a small puppy named Tompaq. He was as fluffy as a snowball and had the sweetest pair of perky ears that twitched at every sound. One bright and sunny day, while chasing a butterfly across the yard, Tompaq slipped through the open garden gate. Without even noticing, he found himself outside, on the street, where the wide world stretched before him. What a marvelous place it was! The road was lined with flowers, tall and bright, their petals shining like jewels in the sun. Butterflies danced above them, playing a merry game of hide-and-seek. Birds soared high across the blue sky, singing songs that made Tompaq's little heart flutter with delight. He saw a spider spinning its silken web, glimmering like silver threads. A caterpillar peeked shyly from beneath a green leaf, and a tiny ant marched along carrying a crumb 3 times its size. Tompaq watched them all with wonder in his shiny button eyes. "Oh, what a big and beautiful world!" he barked happily, wagging his tail so fast that his whole body wiggled. He trotted further and further down the road, forgetting about his warm home, his bowl of milk, and his soft blanket by the fire. But then, quiet suddenly, the sky began to darken. The golden light faded, and heavy gray clouds rolled in. Crack went the thunder. The rain came tumbling down in sheets. Tompaq froze in fear. "Oh dear," he whimpered, "I must go home." He turned this way and that, but nothing looked familiar. The road had become slippery and brown, and the puddles were deep. Each step made his tiny paws sink into the muddy ground. "Mother," he barked, but the storm's roar swallowed his voice. Cold and frightened, Tompaq found shelter under a large tree. He curled up beneath its roots, shivering as raindrops splashed all around him. "Rain, rain," he whispered softly, "please show me the way home." As if the sky had heard him, a small stream began to form near his paws. It trickled and wound its way down the road like a shining ribbon. Tompaq lifted his head. "A path," he cried. "Thank you, rain." He followed the little stream, splashing through puddles, running as fast as his tiny legs could carry him. Soon the storm began to ease. Then a soft breeze began to blow. The leaves rustled gently. "Wind, wind," he called. "Will you show me the way home?" The wind answered with a kind sigh and gave him a push from behind, nudging him down the path. Tompaq stumbled forward, smiling through his wet fur. After a while, the wind grew calm, and the clouds above began to drift apart. A beam of light broke through the gray. Out came the sun, bright and golden, spreading warmth over the wet earth. "Sun, sun," said Tompaq, gazing up, "please show me my home." The sun smiled and sent a single golden ray to shine upon a small hill in the distance. Tompaq's heart leaped with hope. He ran toward the hill, his paws splashing and his tail wagging all the way. When he reached the top, his eyes widened with joy. There it was, his home. The white walls gleamed in the sunlight. The gate stood open, waiting for him. "Thank you, golden sun," cried Tompaq. "Thank you." He bounded down the hill, through the gate, and into the warm arms of home. His bed was waiting, soft and dry, and he was curled up to rest. The rain, the wind, and the sun whispered kindly outside, "Sleep well, little Tompaq, sleep well." And that night, with his tail curled close and his heart full of happiness, Tompaq was the happiest puppy in the world. He had made friends with the rain, the wind, and the sun.